The Health Ministry says it will be doing more to reduce what it describes as the stigma associated with mental health. The issue of mental health, particularly depression, has dominated discussions in recent weeks following suicides by CNN's Anthony Bourdain and comedian Kate Spade. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has this report.
Too high, the number of Jamaicans experiencing depression. A recent mental illness and homelessness report commissioned by the Health Ministry revealed that more than 40% of Jamaicans have at some point suffered depression. 264 persons were treated at government hospitals for attempted suicide. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton describes it as a big problem.
It affects more people than we care to admit. There is significant stigma linked to mental illness. There is rejection, there is abandonment, and an unwillingness to deal with the issue frontally, and some ignorance too in terms of recognizing the symptoms when those symptoms occur.
That ignorance on how to treat with depression and mental health is also rife in schools. The school-based survey indicates that the number of students experiencing depression is higher than the national average.
It's quite alarming that it speaks to a large percentage of the school population who are affected by depression and some who have thought about suicide. Of course, there are a few that have carried it out, unfortunately. And so that information indicates to us in one certain term that we have to do a lot more to sensitize that age cohort and those who are their guardians.
Dr. Tufton said the ministry will be training and sensitizing teachers, guidance counselors and other school officials to detect and assist students displaying symptoms of depression and mental instability who need specific intervention.
We're going to be introducing significant more messaging through a public relations program, not just for the general population, but in the school system, to educate, to inform, but very importantly, to attempt to destigmatize this perception around mental illness and to hopefully get greater levels of empathy and interest on the part of the population to deal with the problem.
He says the current Jamaica Moves campaign will be upgraded to include mental health messages and launched in schools as a means of combating depression. In the meantime, the ministry says persons who need help or know someone who does can call its mental health unit at 876-633-8259 or contact various regional health authorities. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.